Hello, my name's Jo Broad. I'm School Liaison Officer at Brooklands College. It's really great to have the opportunity to present to you today, and I very much appreciate your time. I'm going to talk to you today about the vocational, sometimes known as technical route, the advantages of it, why you might want to study it, how it differs from school. Also, a little bit more about the courses that we offer and the work experience and support aspects as well. So, why choose the vocational route? Vocational courses are really great for students who want a more hands-on and practical approach to learning, and they excel in that sort of environment. A levels aren't for everybody, and vocational courses are very much more based on assignments as you go through rather than exams. So that suits a lot of our students. They prepare you very well for specific jobs. So if you know what you want to do, for instance, you want to be a sports coach, or you want to go into the travel and tourism industry or work on a construction site or as a car mechanic, a vocational course may be better for your particular career pathway. They also offer the option of work experience, which is really valuable, especially in the competitive job market at the moment. They give you the exposure to the workplace and you learn and put to practice the skills that you've learned at college, but also, and just as importantly, you learn the key interpersonal skills that are so valued by employers. For instance, team working and time management and discipline, really, really important skills. These are just some of the companies that we've been working with as a college and our students have gone on to do work placements with. And you can see just by looking down that list, the value of that sort of organisation on your CV and what that will mean to you getting a job after you leave college. Really, really important. So other reasons why choose a vocational route. Their vocational courses are being designed increasingly with employers, which is very important because you're learning the skills, very relevant skills to do the jobs when you join those sort of companies. Also, as a college, we're working with local employers as well, which is really valuable and obviously important to the local job market. Students that perhaps haven't adapted so well to the GCSE programme at school can come to us and really excel in this more practical environment. Some students come to us with limited or no GCSEs at all, and they really take off when they come to college. They're in an environment, as I say, the hands-on, more practical approach really does mean that they can excel. And it leads to an increase in confidence and self-esteem, which is great. Another rewarding outcome for Brooklands College, and in fact all FE colleges, is the government is now really valuing the courses, the technical route, and putting a lot of money behind it, and also apprenticeships as well. And they're really recognising the importance they're paying to the national economy. And as I said, students there should be very proud of the skills that they acquire and the contribution that they are making to the economy as a whole. So how does college life differ from school life? In a nutshell, FE colleges tend to be a little less formal. Students don't wear uniform, but they do wear the gear for their particular vocational area. For instance, the hair and beauty students will wear the tunics that they would wear in a professional environment. The catering students wear the all whites, which puts them in the mood to knock up some really lovely cuisine, which is great. So that people are wearing the uniform, if you like, in keeping with the vocational area, but they come and go in their own clothes. Students tend to call their tutors by their first names as well. Again, a little less formal, but that's generally what we do at site. Also, the students aren't on site every day, something that's possibly quite popular with the students. They have part-time jobs as well, which enables them to earn money, which is really nice and important to them. You do take on responsibility for your own learning. You're responsible for getting in assignments in on time. It's really important. So you're treated like adults. So you have to adapt to that sort of environment, a little less handheld than you potentially would be at school. However, the courses are not an easy option. And like school attendance, timekeeping, commitment and respect are keys to success. And that's where our students do the best and get the best grade out of their assignments. So when you come to college, you'll be given your own personal study programme, which will include various aspects. Initially, of course, your main vocational qualification, which will be, for example, catering or public services or art and design or childcare or health and social care. So that's your main vocational qualification. In addition to that, we've got obviously your work experience that we've talked about, which is a really important part of the programme, and also English and Maths, especially if you haven't attained a level 4 in English and Maths. We will help you with your English and Maths skills at the college and put you on the correct programme for that. That's a government requirement in terms of getting students up to a certain standard in English and Maths. So that's a really important part of the programme. There's also other areas of personal and professional development that we offer. For example, as you say, you've got your work experience, but we also offer seminars, career pathway programs. We offer help with CV writing. We have specialist speakers coming in to talk about things like knife crime and drugs and that sort of thing. So all part of your overall study program. In terms of the courses that we offer, what Brooklands College does and what Brooklands College does very, very well is provide courses at all levels. So there's courses from an entry level all the way up to level 3, and it's like a ladder. Some of our students join us on an entry level course and work their way up to a level 1, level 2, and effectively they can then join onto a level 3 program. Or some of our students join us on a level 3 program. If you've got 5 GCSEs at grades 4 or above, you can join us on a level 3 program. So it is, as I say, a ladder. It's not a race, and it's really important that we provide courses at the various levels. Some of our level 3 students may well go on to university or an advanced apprenticeship after their study with us. So in terms of the courses that we offer 3 main curriculum areas. First of all, digital industries. We offer within this sector, we offer art and design, business, computing and IT, and media. You can see there the art and design, arguably for me, has the best sort of facilities, lovely building on the campus, really inspiring facilities they have. So very fortunate. They've got a lovely atrium where they display their work. So please, hopefully, you'll be able to come along and see all of the facilities on the campus very soon. Business, really, lots of opportunities in the business sector, whether you want to go into marketing or finance, lots and lots of opportunities for you in the business sector. And I think in terms of computing and IT, the pandemic's really, really shown the importance of this particular field. And there's lots of demand out there for really good computing and IT professionals. And media as well, lots going on the media front, and our facilities for our media students are absolutely fantastic. They're using literally state-of-the-art equipment in their courses. The service industries have been hit very heavily, very hard by the pandemic. But I'm sure we're all really looking forward to an upsurge in these particular industries in the weeks and months ahead. I certainly am keen to get back to the hairdressers and book a holiday. So we're hoping to see a real upturn for our students in studying these courses. I'm sure that's going to take place over the next, as I say, weeks, months and years ahead. So all of those sectors there, childcare, hair and beauty, health and social care, catering and hospitality, sport, travel and tourism, and policing and public services, come within our service industries main curriculum area. Really exciting courses, fantastic facilities, lots and lots of work experience, really help our students get the employment that they're seeking. The final sector within our main areas is our STEM industries. So within this, we have our applied science, again, fantastic courses for our students in forensic science, really exciting courses. A lot of our students from forensic science do go on to university to study criminology, that sort of thing, as well as going straight into employment. It covers the construction industries as well. This is our fastest growing course department in terms of applications at the college. Really, there's a lot of emphasis. The government are putting a lot of money behind rebuilding the infrastructure of the economy. So lots of opportunities in the bricklaying, carpentry and electrical installation side, really popular courses. As our engineering, it is the heart of the Brooklands College. It's the history of Brooklands College, and it continues to be really popular courses at Brooklands. So the aeronautical, manufacturing, motorsport and motor vehicle is our largest number of applications in terms of one course at the college. So really good courses in engineering. The other thing we offer at the college is apprenticeship. The apprenticeship route is really valued by a lot of students who are looking to earn money while they learn. The key thing here is to get the placement. It's really important that you get your CV really looking good with relevant work experience, because that's the key to getting a good apprenticeship. We offer a whole range of apprenticeships. and our students study with us perhaps for 1 day a week, and then they go on to site to do their apprenticeship with their employer, maybe 3, 4, 5 days a week. So a really good option for you. So please do come and talk to us if you are interested in the apprenticeship route. So that ends sort of the formal part of the sort of presentation, if you like. We hope it's given you an idea into the courses that we offer and perhaps a little bit more about the vocational route. We really, really want to have you to visit us on site and see our fantastic facilities because, as I say, vocational courses are all about the facilities, and we have got amazing facilities at Brooklands College. In the meantime, we've got a virtual open event page on the website. Please do go and visit that. It contains lots of information, tours of the campus, information about particular course areas, talking to the tutor, seeing the students at work. So please do go and visit our virtual open event page. It will give you a lot more information. As I say, we do really hope we can get you onto campus to see those facilities soon. Just to finish with, we're just going to go through a few slides just to show you a little bit more, hopefully, about what college life looks like and some of the competitions and activities that take place at the college on a regular basis. Firstly, our hair and beauty department is an extremely successful department. They have competitions both at Brooklands College, but we also take part in a national competition at Blackpool every year. We've been placed first for the last 7 years, as well as a multitude of other places. I think one year we got the first to 7th place. So really successful department. So really, really great for our students to get that experience. In terms of students, some of the activities that go on, we're recently, or at the moment, in fact, doing a walk, 101-mile walk, fundraising for the NHS. This is inspired by Sir Sutton Moore. Unfortunately, there's the sad news regarding him this year, but we are continuing to walk on his behalf and in his memory, and to raise lots of money, as much as we can, for the NHS. Lots of students are involved. This is a student initiative, but the staff are also involved, including myself. So we're walking so far, raising money. I think it's actually increased since that slide was taken. In terms of some of the activities, the Big Idea Challenge is a challenge that the business students take on every year. They get involved in from product design or idea design all the way through to designing it, presenting it, and marketing it on from there. And we've been really successful in this as well. We got first prize the last time the competition was held, which is great for our students. Great to have that experience to be pitching to professionals in the field. I talked about the fact that we have speakers coming in on a regular basis to support the overall study program that the students embark on. These are just two examples of that. So very lucky for our media and public service students. We also, obviously, with the pandemic, I just wanted to put this in because we have amazing support, amazing tutors at college. Ofsted picked up on the fantastic tutors that we have at the college, but also the support staff as well, supporting the volunteers working at the test centres to get the students back to work back to college after the pandemic. So it's quite nice to see that at work. This Dream Flight was a really excellent initiative put together by the travel and tourism students, raising money for Dream Flight to get disadvantaged children on an aeroplane to go to abroad to a holiday. And this is really they raised, as you see there, over £2,000. The initiative, when the final event was held in the catering department in our restaurant, again, fantastic facilities that we have there, and our catering students prepared and served a fantastic meal to the students and the parents, as I say, to raise money for that. So that was a really lovely event. These are just some of the works that the art and design students have put together. So this is just one of the assignments they had, and this is what I mean by your grade will be on your assignments as you go through. So this is the sort of assignment that our art and design students got involved with. We do provide a regular insight into the activities and news and student successes in our BC Vision on a regular basis. So please do look on the website for the updated version of that. It's got all sorts of exciting information for you. This is just a snapshot of our forensic science students at work in the labs, which is they perhaps have been on the collecting evidence of crime scenes out in the woods or whatever, and they've come back to the college to to do the analysis. Another really successful department are our construction department. Student there winning all sorts of awards for in this case, it was bricklaying. So a very, very successful department. And as I said earlier, lots and lots of opportunities in that particular field at the moment. For our media students, I think I touched on earlier, they're in the green screen here, but they have literally got the state-of-the-art equipment. I think even the tutors are very excited to receive delivery of the latest cameras, which are literally cameras that are used as I say, by professionals in the field. So our students are getting really exposure to really excellent facilities. Engineering department, a little bit some snapshot there about this is mainly our motorsport side. Again, very, very fantastic workshops, enormous workshops. I don't think there's anybody that comes into our engineering workshops that's interested in this particular field and doesn't go away really impressed. Lots and lots of space, lots of opportunities for our students to work on all sorts of cars and, as I said, aeronautical side, as well as the core engineering as well. Another snapshot of our Skins and Bones exhibition for our art and design students. That's in that lovely atrium I was talking to you about earlier. We're really, really excited to announce the opening of our hair and beauty salon on the Ashford campus, actually on the Ashford High Street, I should say, this year. So our students are going to get, and very shortly, in weeks and literally weeks ahead, the opportunity to put their practical skills together in the public in a high street presence type salon. So really exciting opportunity for our hair and beauty students, really exciting opportunity and development for the college as a whole. Some of the nice things that our students have said about the tutors in this case, get really excellent feedback from Ofsted as well about the fantastic tutors and teaching that's available at Brooklands College. Some of the other talks I was talking to you about earlier, just a snapshot of some of the activities that are going on at the college. A little bit more, and again, another sports tutor here. Very nice words from one of the students to our sports tutor there. And again, some other comments from our students about the engineering tutors that are working, looks like outside there, which is nice, on the cars. Open event held very recently before the pandemic, but hopefully we'll be able to offer this sort of open event again very soon and welcome you all back onto the campus. Again, that's our hair and beauty, another hair and beauty comment from one of our supported learning students, praising the positive attitude of the tutors, which is always good to see. So it has been a tough year to 2020 for not only the students and the staff alike, but I think as a college, we're very proud of how we've come together and risen to the challenge. And I think we're very proud of that as a college. Our recent Ofsted inspection to give us a good grade, which we're very, as I say, again, very, very proud of indeed. They recognise the fantastic facilities that we offer at the college, the outstanding tutors, and the really happiness and the outcomes of our students as well. So really nice comments from Ofsted. So it's something to be really proud of. As I say, that's all I'm going to say to you today. I want to thank you very, very much for your time. I really do appreciate it. I hope it's given you an insight into Brooklands College, and we very much hope, as I said quite a few times, to be able to welcome you onto the campus very, very soon. Thank you very much indeed for your time.